everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marian. Today I am doing this look using predominantly NYX cosmetic products. I have used their foundation and their concealer and some of their lip products, but I wanted to test out other products that they offer. If you didn't know, NYX Cosmetics is an affordable brand that you can find in your local drugstore, Ulta, Target, Walmart. You can even find some of their products in maybe Dollar General, but I know for sure Dollar Tree. Before I get started, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure that your notification bell is turned on so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And if you would like to see how I accomplish this look, then please stay tuned. So this video is really just gonna be chill because like my first impression videos are always, something always goes awry. And I'm gonna start off with moisturizing my hands because they are a little crusty. I didn't prime because I wanted to try out this pore filling primer from NYX, and I shook it up because it was kind of, it feels loose. It's not as thick as like the Benefits pore filling primer, so hopefully that's not an issue. So like I said, the primer, it's supposed to be pore filling, so I'm gonna put it predominantly right here to fill in my pores and see if it's going to give me like a blurring effect like other pore filling primers do. So the consistency is coming out like other pore filling primers, and it looks like the same color as the Benefits one, so this could definitely be an affordable dupe. It's not as like thick or hard to come out like the Benefits one. I do see a little blurring effect under right here where my freckles are. So as you can see, there is a little difference in between before I put the primer on and afterwards. So hopefully there's no issues. I'm gonna put some on my forehead as well. Ooh. Yep, I can definitely feel the difference. My forehead is a whole lot smoother. So now we're gonna move on to brows. This is the NYX micro brow pencil in Espresso. I've used this pencil before. I'm not really a fan of it, but hey, I'm always down for giving a product a second chance. So I did my brows, I put primer on. So we're gonna move on to eyeshadow. This is the NYX Professional Ultimate Edit Petite Palette. I've never used any of their eyeshadow palettes before, so this definitely will be a first. Hopefully I don't have any issues with the colors. I do have the jumbo eye pencils. One is in frappe and the other is in yogurt. So I'm going to use these on my eyes as well, or try to. So I really don't have a planned look as usual, so we're just gonna go with the flow. So I like the way my eye look has come out so far on this eye. It's very bright. I use these two colors on my eye, and next I'm going to take this color and put it on my eyelid, but I'm going to use the NYX glitter primer. It's really helpful. It makes your shimmers pop and stay in place, so they really don't like transfer above my lid or into my crease because I do have hooded lids. So it's just a real good product to use. I highly recommend it. Now this shade here is, it has a lot of kickback, so if that's an issue for you with fallout, then just be mindful of the kickback that comes from that shade. I'm debating if I want to use this purple to deepen my crease a little bit. Yeah, why not? Just see. So I did the other eye off camera. I added liner. I messed up on this one, but as I do my makeup, you won't even tell that I messed up on this liner. Tried to fix it. I was not taking my makeup off to fix it. I just was not going to do all of that. So we're gonna move on to foundation. I've used this plenty of times on my channel. This is one of my top 3 favorite foundations. And it's, I think, $10. It's less than $10. So it's definitely more on the affordable side. So this foundation is medium coverage. You can build it up. As you can see, you can still see my dark spot, and that is just with one pump on this side of my face. So I just wanted you to see the coverage that I am getting. So I can build it up to my liking, or I can, you know, choose to let some of my imperfections show. Sometimes I don't add more foundation because I do go in with powders, and that will also cover up my dark spots. Or I might choose to spot conceal before putting on the foundation. But I didn't want to do that today because my concealers are lighter than my skin tone, because I typically use that for an under eye. Also, I normally use this foundation or apply this foundation with a sponge, but I'm just trying to apply it differently by using a brush, but I am gonna go in with a sponge to kind of like make sure everything is blended and cohesive, because this brush here is a little bit too dense and it's too hard for my liking. Okay, so excuse my hair, but I will fix it once I finish my makeup. But okay, so this is what the foundation looks like on my skin. As I stated, I could go back into, you know, like cover up these spots, but I don't want to have my face looking cakey or too much products on my face. So now we're gonna move on to concealer. I have 2 concealers from the Born to Glow collection from NYX. This one is in soft beige, and then this one is in medium olive. I'm gonna go in with medium olive first. Then I'm gonna add soft beige. I didn't add soft beige to my nose because I'm kind of doing this like a little bit sloppy, but it's all gonna blend out the way I want it to blend. So take the butt of the sponge and blend out here. Now this concealer is very hydrating, which is good for your under eye. You really don't want a super matte concealer because then it will definitely emphasize the creases under your eyes. And if you are someone like around my age, you definitely do not want your creases to be emphasized or your under eye looking extremely, extremely matte. Next, we're going to use mattifying powder, it will kind of, you know, go well because this foundation is very hydrating. So my face won't look super duper dry by using this because I did moisturize and the foundation is not matte. So hopefully this is my shade. This was the closest that they had in the store. So let's hope for the best. So this is what it looks like. So it's definitely not a bad shade, and I don't look extra dry in the face. Normally I would go in with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray to kind of set my face and let everything kind of settle in and bring some type of moisture to my face as well. But I'm just gonna keep on moving on to the next product. So I didn't have a bronzer or a highlighter or a blush, so I went ahead and put that on off camera. So next thing I'm going to do is set my face using the NYX Plump Finish with Electrolyte Setting Spray. I'm gonna do this first before I put the mascara and lashes on. It's very aggressive. So now I'm gonna use Yogurt. So it's really like a pinkish shimmer, and I'm gonna use it on my lower lash line. The last things to do is lips. So I'm going to take the lip liner in Nutmeg and line my lips. And Nutmeg is like kind of a reddish, a light reddish brown. I really like it. This is a new color for me. And then I'm gonna take the lipstick in Chick. This is my first time using their bullet lipsticks. So I think I want to add some gloss to my lips, even though I really don't need it. But I do want to show you guys what all of their products look like, you know, even the lips, if you want to add gloss. And this is in Tiramisu, and it goes perfect with this lipstick. Where is it? So Tiramisu with Chick pairs perfectly together. I already use the butter gloss on a regular basis, but the lipstick I will incorporate into my everyday look as well. I do like the way my look came out. Only hiccup I had was on my eyeliner, and that's not because of the product. There's user error. I'm not really good at eyeliner, but pretty much all of the products I like. I really don't have any complaints, and I'm very surprised because normally when I do these videos something goes wrong. Now a wear test, I'll probably do that at a later time because it is later in the day me filming this video, but so far close up I don't have any complaints. Like I said, the foundation is medium coverage. You can build it up if you want to hide your imperfections, but that really doesn't bother me. Please excuse the background noise. That really doesn't bother me. My face doesn't look dry. So I really do like the setting spray. It does have a fragrance to it. It's not overpowering like the Huda Beauty's scent, but it does have a scent to it. The eyeshadow palette, I like the way my eye look came out. It worked well with the eye primer that I used. The shimmer, I guess it really isn't like a shimmer color, but using the glitter primer definitely bought out the color in this lighter shade on my lid. But all in all, like I said, I really can't complain about how my look came out. I really like it. I decided to dabble in a little color this time. I really like the way it came out. I'm constantly repeating myself because for the first time, me trying an affordable brand, majority of their products, and I really don't have anything negative to say. I will link my video of me using e.l.f. products either down below or somewhere up in the video, so you can check that out, and that way you can compare whether or not you want to try out e.l.f. products or NYX products. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. Leave a comment down below. Make sure your notification bell is turned on so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And as always, thank you for watching.